Hello everyone, I hope everything is better. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, like the video and also press the bell icon to get the latest video notification. And also share with your friends. Now let's start. You have to be willing to be misunderstood if you are going to innovate. One of the only way to get out of a tight box is to invent your way out. A company should not get addicted to being shiny because shiny doesn't last. If you do build a great experience, customers tell each other about that. Word of mouth is very powerful. If you do not understand the details of your business, you are going to fail. There are two kinds of companies, those that work to raise process and those that work to lower them. The common questions that gets asked in business is why. That's a good question. But an equally valid question is why not? A brand for a company is like a reputation for a person. You earn reputation by trying to do hard things well. Your margin is my opportunity. Your brand is what other people say. Your brand is what other people say about you when you are not in the room. Kindness is a choice. If you are not stubborn, you will give up on experiments too soon, and you are not flexible, you will pound your head against the wall and you won't see a different solutions to a problem you are trying to solve. Frugality drives your innovations. All businesses need to be forever. Keep our competitors focused on us while we stay focused on the customer. The people who are right a lot often change their minds. The thing that motivates me is a very common form of motivation, and that is what other falls continuing on me. It's so easy to motivate it. Patience, persistence, and obsessive attention for detail. What we need to do is always look into the future. Are you lazy or just incompetent? It's so ambitious to take something as highly evolved as the book and improve on it. It's not an experiment if you know it's going to work. The human brain is an incredible pattern matching machine. This has the potential to be bigger than everything ever done. Be stubborn on vision, but flexible on details. One of the huge mistakes people make is that they try to force an interest on themselves. You don't choose your patient chooses you. If you decide that you are going to do only the thing you know are going to work, you are going to leave a lot of opportunity on the table. Life is too short to hang out with people who are not resourceful. Work hard, have fun, and make history. Jeff Bezos.